How to find your gate and terminal in the Southwest Airlines app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Southwest app on your device. After you open Southwest app, make sure you're logged into your account, or you can click on Continue as Guest. Then click on My Trips at the bottom. Select Look up a reservation. Then add your confirmation number, your first name, and your last name. Press on Retrieve Reservation. After you find your reservation, click on it, and then you can click on View. There, you'll find your gate number, terminal, and also boarding time. And after you do that, you're good to go. And this is how to find your gate and terminal in the Southwest Airlines app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.